Mediation services versus arbitration services. Which one is better for business conflict resolution? When business disputes arise, most companies get this wrong by rushing to court, assuming litigation is the only solution. The surprising truth is that mediation and arbitration offer faster, less costly alternatives, but they work in very different ways, and knowing which to choose can save your business time and money. Mediation is a collaborative process where a neutral third party facilitates discussions between disputing parties. The goal is to reach a mutually agreeable solution without going to court. Mediation works best for ongoing business relationships, such as partnerships or vendor disputes, because it preserves goodwill and allows both sides to negotiate flexible outcomes. For example, two companies negotiating a contract disagreement might settle through mediation, maintaining the working relationship while avoiding public litigation. Arbitration, on the other hand, is more formal. A neutral arbitrator hears evidence and makes a binding decision. It is faster and more private than traditional court cases, but it limits the ability to appeal. Arbitration is ideal for contractual disputes where both parties want a definitive resolution without the unpredictability of court. Many international contracts include arbitration clauses to avoid jurisdictional complications. So which is better? If your goal is to preserve relationships and find a collaborative solution, mediation is the way to go. If you need a clear, enforceable decision and want to avoid lengthy court battles, arbitration offers more certainty. The key takeaway is that businesses should evaluate the nature of the dispute, the relationship between parties, and the desired outcome. Using mediation and arbitration strategically can reduce legal costs, protect business relationships, and provide timely resolutions. The right choice ensures conflicts are managed efficiently and professionally, keeping your focus on growth rather than prolonged disputes.